Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to check if you're shadow banned on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First off, it's important to know that what shadow banning actually means. Your account is shadow banned when your content is surfaced to a lesser degree or not surfaced at all in Instagram surfing channels such as the homepage, explorer page, and the hashtag feeds of other users. If you're shadow banned, these are the likely reasons behind the ban. If you or one of your posts you made was reported as inappropriate content, or if your account is getting reported by your audience. So to simply not get shadow banned by Instagram, you could just try not to violate the Instagram guidelines in the first place. And even if you do mistakenly, then you could just delete the post right away. So to check if you've been shadow banned, you could simply follow these simple steps. First, find someone with an Instagram account that doesn't follow you. And then second, post on your Instagram account using the hashtags you regularly use. And third, ask the person who doesn't follow you to quickly check the feeds of the hashtags that you tagged on your post. If your posts don't appear the first time, don't panic. Check again 3 or 5 minutes later. Now, if your post shows up on the hashtag feeds of the person who doesn't follow you, you are not shadow banned. But if your post don't show up on the hashtag feeds of the person who doesn't follow you, even after checking twice or thrice, then you are most definitely shadow banned. Another way to check is to view your Instagram insights every day and look out for a sudden and sustained drop in the number of followers that you get. So this way you can check whether you've been shadow banned by Instagram or not. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.